today, we didn't have much food in the apartment left because it's Sunday and we didn't go to the grocery store. Anyway, so I decided I really wanted some popcorn because, you know, popcorn is life. And we're going to cut that out, right?
We might have to redo that. I'm leaving that in.
Stop. Anyway, so I decided to learn how to make popcorn on the stovetop because we have a microwave, but we have just regular kernels of popcorn, and that's about it. So I YouTubed it. Yeah. So this is what I learned. You can use olive oil. We've got some extra virgin right here. So let's get a nice close up. They're beautiful. Some popcorn, of which I've chosen about this much. I don't know. That's like, I don't know, half a cup maybe. And I've got my pot that we're gonna cook it in, and then I've got, well, this is my version of a bowl, because, you know, we only have so many bowls in this tiny apartment. And I've got myself my topping here, which is a little bit of a mixture of melted butter, olive oil, garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper, yumminess that we'll pour on top, if this works. Okay, so the first step is to heat just like 2 tablespoons per half a cup of olive oil in our pan, which is not a lot, but just enough to coat the bottom. So we're going to heat this up, so you guys are going to have to stay tuned. And we're going to add 2 kernels to test it, and that's when we know when it's ready. Okay? So once that's ready, see you then. Waiting. Okay, they've popped. Here we go. Take these out. Ooh, they're crazy. Not the smartest way to do this, obviously. Now, we add the others in, and we take it off the heat. Think they're done? Nope. A couple more. Oop. They're good.
You just eat one off the ground?
Oh, no? Yeah, I did. Alright. Here we are. Let's see how we did. I think there's a lot left that didn't pop. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot that didn't pop, but it's not bad for our first time. No burnt ones. And now for the best part.